Hi, Allie.
I'm a really pretty girl, aren't I?
You're a very pretty girl, and you're very sweet.
I am, and it's pretty sad that I was probably used as a puppy mill dog.
Yep, you're a little shy.
Yep.
And you're learning how to be in the house. I don't think you've been in the house.
No, I don't think so either.
But, you know, you are really nice, and we're so glad we have you.
And I'm really sweet, and I love you people. I just don't know what you're all about yet.
Yeah, and you're wonderful with the other dogs.
Oh, I love the other dogs. That's all I've ever known.
Well, that's true.
And you guys are pretty cool.
We are.
And I'm just a sweetheart.
We know we're cool.
And I don't bark like those dogs outside.
Yeah, no, you don't.
Yeah, those are bad dogs.
And you have a nice medium energy.
Yes, not too high.
Do you like our treats?
I like your treats. I don't think I've ever had treats before.
I don't think so either. I don't think you've been treated very well.
I could use a bath.
Well, we could all use a bath here.
Yes, we could.
But, you know, it's kind of noisy right now, so we probably better go.
I think so.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Don't choke on your treats.
Okay.